Hi guys, my name is Gladys from Best Cars for Sale in Kenya. By now you know at Best Cars we assist our clients to ship motor vehicle directly from Japan to Kenya and any other overseas market. And in this video I'm going to tell you how long it takes to ship your car, and also I'm going to give you the details of the importation process and what happens when we buy these cars from the auction. At Best Cars, we aim to deliver your unit as quickly as possible because we have every incentive to do so. One thing that we understand is that the quicker you get your car, the happier you are. So in summary, I'm going to tell you the process from when the client comes to our office up to the end of our involvement, that is during delivery of the unit. Now, number one step is of course to visit our office and tell us the unit that you're looking for. Once we've agreed on the unit, the specs and the budget, we move straight to the auction. Now at the auction, we'll start showing you options. After you've identified the option that you want, we are going to place a bid for that unit. For us to place a bid, we expect a client to pay at least 1,000 USD or 100k Kenya shillings. Once we've placed the bid, there are some clients that are very lucky. Just with the first bid, we win it and we move to the next step. But sometimes for very competitive units, we can win up to a second trial, a third trial, sometimes also a fourth trial. This is a reality check, yes. After we've won the bid, now the next step is to purchase the unit. Now at this point we expect our client to pay at least 20% of the total amount so that we can purchase the unit. The next step now is to organize for shipping. Now at this point we are going to take the unit to the nearest port. Now this is in the side of Japan, and then also we are going to wait for the seller or the person that sold this car to submit his original documents. Normally it takes a day or two, but the auction rules gives them at least 2 weeks for them to submit these documents. So the moment they've submitted these documents, we are going to use that logbook in Japan. It's going to be cancelled. Once it's cancelled, we will get the document that is called the export certificate. Now at this point, all these documents, we will require them when the unit lands at Mombasa, because these documents will be used for clearing and registration of your units. The next thing will be to make reservation to the next ship that is heading to our country. Now the timing of the ship depends with the destination and also the method of transport that maybe your importer is using. The most crucial thing is the QISJ inspection. Now the QISJ is mandated by KEBS to perform inspection of this motor vehicle before they are shipped to our country. This is to verify and to also ascertain that they are roadworthy. Once the unit passes inspection, a certificate of inspection or the QISJ certificate is issued. Now all these documents, we are going to use them for clearing, as I have mentioned earlier. Once we have consolidated all the documents, they'll just be sent straight to our office. You can come and collect them, or also you can wait until the unit arrives at the port so that we just use them to clear, because sometimes a client can come collect the documents and then you might maybe by mistake, misplace them or lose them. Also now the three most important documents are the QISJ certificate, export certificate, and the bill of landing. Also the invoice will be required. Now the next point will be to wait for the unit to land at the port of Mombasa. Once it has landed at the port of Mombasa, we are going to handle the clearing process on your behalf. We expect the client to at least have the eCitizen account, as that is what currently is being used for registration of motor vehicle. So we lodge the plates. The moment we've lodged the plates, now we'll just wait for the physical number plates. Once we have the physical number plates, we'll wait for the logbook. It takes a day or so, and after that the unit is ready for delivery. We'll put it in the carrier and then deliver it to your preferred destination. If also you'd like to come and collect it in our office, that is also open. Guys, this is to urge you to come and import your motor vehicle with us. We always offer a very smooth process, and also everything is very transparent. There are no hidden charges. Just come to our office, let's indulge, let's engage, and let's do business together. From me to you. Bye.